Alright, so if you compost at home, you need to check these out. These are BioBag compostable food scrap bags, 2.6 gallon size, and they come in a box of 100. You've been using them in my kitchen compost bit for a while now, and honestly, they just make the whole process so much cleaner. They fit perfectly in those little countertop compost pails. They hold up really well even with wet scraps like melon rings and coffee grounds, and when the bag's full, you just tile it and toss it straight into your backyard compost. The whole bag breaks down, no plastic left behind. They're made from plants, starches, and vegetable oils, so they're nothing like regular trash bags. They actually decompose with your food scraps instead of staying in landfill for thousands of years. Which basically means they're being tested and proved to fully compost. If you're trying to cut down on waste, this is one of those easily switches what actually makes a difference. My friend actually gifted me first box and it's been raving ever since.